Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to make a glow text effect in Photoshop. I'm writing my text here, pressing Ctrl T and using this box I'm making my text bigger. Right clicking above the text layer, blending options, double clicking on drop shadow. I'm selecting white color from here. Bring the opacity to 100%, distance 0. Click here and select screen from here, size 10. Double clicking on outer glow. Blend mode screen, opacity 75% and noise 0. I'm choosing a color from here. Increase or decrease these two options according to your choice. Okay, that's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.